Hello and welcome to the PMI Schedule module video tutorial series. It's a compilation of tutorials covering everything from navigation to creating a rotating schedule. This is available to all properties that do not have an integrated timekeeping system in place. In this video, we will focus on how to create a shift code. After you have added all your team members, you are ready to create shift codes. And you can do so by clicking on the shift codes icon or in the tools and choosing shift codes. So click on the shift code icon, click on the plus sign, and a pop-up appears where you will fill in the details. Here are two codes already, the PM shift and the AM shift. I can see the times of the shift. So the one is from 1500 to 2300, and then the AM is from 700 until 1500. They are both productive shifts. They have a keyboard shortcut, a code, and a color. So let's add another shift code. Click on the plus sign here, give it a color. We can create a shift code for the mid shift because when we have occupancy over 75%, we usually have someone coming in at 11 and finishing at 1900 hours. So let's type in mid shift, give it a code, MS for short form, and then the keyboard shortcut should be the same, so MS there as well. Productive time I will leave activated. Now type in when the shift starts and when it ends. And if you need to deduct the 30-minute break from the shift, do so here. In this instance, it does not get deducted. You can make the shift code available to the front office only or to the entire property so that other department heads can pick up the shift as well when scheduling. Always save. Now there is an overview of all the codes created, and you can actually just go ahead and add the shift here to the entire property so that all department heads have access to it. So if we want to create a non-productive shift code, for example, sick leave, we are able to do so in here as well. Let's choose a color. Let's see, green perhaps, and then write in sick by the name. The code can be SI, and then the shortcut we can have the same SI. Now we deactivate productive time as this is not worked time. So remember that the paid sick leave is usually without the 30-minute break. So now I would actually have to put in 450 minutes. So I leave the start and finishing times of the shift. All I do is add in the amount of minutes over here, and it's 450 minutes in total. And then I just double check that I actually am in the correct schedule. Yes, it was front office, and then save. And now on the overview, I can see that I've created a sick shift code as well. More information can be found in our knowledge base articles and video tutorial series. Thank you and take care.